What up YouTube, it's your boy Jerdough back in here with another new video, and I'm back with a different type of video. I got a tutorial for you niggas because I've been on the Twitter sphere and I noticed that y'all don't be doing this too right. What am I talking about? Kool-Aid. Now everybody claim they make good Kool-Aid. Everybody claim they good at it. Everybody act like they know what they doing, but they don't. They never do. So let me show y'all the right and proper techniques to make your Kool-Aid. Step number 1. You get your Kool-Aid in your container. You notice this little residue in there from the last batch of Kool-Aid I made? Don't drink it or pour it out. Keep it for the next batch. Now, you need 2 types of Kool-Aid or the same kind. If you're doing it right, you need 2 different flavors. Flavor number 1. Strawberry kiwi. You need something sweet. You can't see this because I opened it already, but it's blue raspberry lemonade. If you can see that, focus. Whatever. You want to get something sweet and tart to counteract to make your beautiful Kool-Aid. So step number 1, open up the Kool-Aid, and it goes. This right here is an vital and important step to making Kool-Aid. Bring it over to your sink. Turn on your water, your empty Kool-Aid packet, put the water in it. What you do, pour it in your Kool-Aid. Repeat for the second flavor. Strawberry kiwi flavor. In. Again, fill with water. Get it, bring it over, pour it in there. Now what you do, people do it wrong at this point all the time. What you do, take your Kool-Aid mixture, you shake it around, get it blended in together. See that little blue shit floating around? You're trying to get that to go away. Spin it up, mix it up a little bit. What y'all think come next? What, y'all put the water in there, then y'all put the sugar? Or you put the sugar in there, then the water, then stir? No, take your sugar. We don't buy expensive, great value Walmart sugar. Pay attention to the levels I make Kool-Aid, because niggas like giving people diabetes with their Kool-Aid, and that's not the way for making good Kool-Aid. You see that? Notice how I peppered in a little bit of sugar. That's all the sugar you need. Next step, take your sugar and Kool-Aid mixture, come over to the sink, cut off the cold water, turn on the hot water. Yeah, the hot water. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this makes the water get hotter faster. I might be wrong, but I'm not. Kool-Aid mixture. Hot water. That's all you need. Take your handy dandy spoon and stir it in. You know that? Look at that. Look at that. You can see the thickness in it. Sugar. The reason why you put in hot water, so all that sugar and shit can dissolve. Now you got the sugary combination of concentrated Kool-Aidness. Then you come back over to the sink. Cut off the hot. Turn on the cold. You put the water in there while it's going, and you stir. You stir. You stir while it's filling. If you do it right, if you did my process right, you won't need to add no more sugar. It's gonna be done the right way. Hell yeah. This Kool-Aid about to slap. Back up there. Now, do a couple more courtesy swirls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your Kool-Aid's done. Taste test. But that's how you make Kool-Aid. If you think it's wrong, you're wrong. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe. It's been your boy Jerdough, and we out.